Hey, so today I'm going to take you through the contest widget. So this is a way to display a contest campaign, and one of the good things about this is you can do multiple things. So one, it allows you to add your contest to any page on your site. So you'll see here is an example of the widget popping up. And so you can add your regular contest to any page on your website, and people can enter and engage without ever leaving your website. Two, you can use this to sort of like growth hack your lead gen. So instead of having people just sign up for one content upgrade with an email embed form or something or a pop-up, you can have this and you can incentivize people to sign up and then do multiple actions to continue to unlock rewards. So today I'm just going to show you a little bit about that. And this example is going to be the kind of growth hack of the lead gen, but you can also use this with your evergreen contests, meaning you draw like a winner a month or a winner a week. You can do it with your regular contest, which may be, like summer holiday giveaway, product launch giveaway, whatever you want. But this is essentially a new way to display your contest from VYPER. So this is what the modal looks like. It pops up and you can edit all of this. I'll show you that a little bit later. But once you hover over this, it'll open up the widget. And then here you can obviously add in what your hook is going to be. So essentially you want to make your hook really enticing to the person you want to attract. So in this lead gen, for example, we're offering access to a training library of how we scaled Facebook ads to 10K a day. So that way, this is just a general lead gen. It's always going to be on the site. It's not going to be a contest. If you were running a contest, you would maybe want to say what your prize is, what the value of it is, why someone should enter, that sort of thing. So you could really entice people with this headline subheading, and also this subtext down here underneath. You can add in a little bit of extra information. So here you have two options. One, you have to collect the email address to contact people, deliver emails about whether they're a winner, content upgrades, all that sort of stuff. If people are already signed up to the contest or already have an account with your website, and they can sign in. The cool thing is, once someone clicks here, you'll see that this opens up all of these extra fields which you can add. So you can collect more information on your contestants or leads however you want. So in this example, I'm going to do jackofviper.io, name, company website, let's say viper.io. Okay, so you can see here that you can collect a little bit of information. You have your general terms and conditions. If you want to add in all of your normal capture stuff, you can. Remember, this is set up the exact same way as you would set up a contest. But you can see here that now that I've entered the contest, I've never had to leave this landing page. So you can promote pages on your website quite easily using this option, because when you refer people, you set which page you want to refer to people. So I could be promoting this Black Friday deal. I could be promoting a product, a website homepage, a category page, some piece of content. And you can get people, when they refer others, to link straight to this page, and it's going to pop up the widget there for them to sign up as well. And this works the same way as a contest. You can win points. The more points you have, one, the higher the chance of winning if you're running a contest. Two, you can add in your leaderboard. So if you want to continue this gamification and make it a leaderboard contest, you can do that. And three, you can always use milestones as well. So this example is milestones. So you can see here, we've already sent the access to the library to that email address. I've already signed up, so I've already got a few points, but you can refer people on all of these channels as always. And then you can also set these bonus actions. So this is really trying to just stimulate people sharing my content and stimulating engagement. So you can get people to sign up to the newsletter, but usually you're going to auto import these people. But if you really want to separate the two, you can have a secondary opt-in here. You want people to share a Facebook video, retweet something on Twitter. This is a great way to get people to also view and read comments. View blog posts and leave comments, that sort of thing. And as you scroll down, you'll see that as I collect more points, I unlock more things. Now, this is the example of the lead gen, but you can also do this for a general contest. So, that's if you're offering a prize, you're going to have all of these bonus actions and these referral options, and people are going to be doing that to win the grand prize, maybe first place or second place or random winner. The more points you have, the higher the chance. So when you X out of that, you'll see it gets out of the way, and then the widget just pops up there. And if you hover over, it'll open back up to where you left off. Again, you can also use that sign-in feature that I showed you before. So now that you kind of know how that works, I want to show you how to set that up. So it's the same as any other contest. So you can start off with a template down here, or you can build your own from scratch. But ideally, you're going to set up the contest like you would any other contest. You would fill out your normal settings, all that sort of stuff. But the one difference would be for setting up these widgets is one, if you want to run an evergreen campaign or not. So this is what I was talking about with the lead gen. So this can sort of replace a pop-up or a content upgrade or that sort of thing, and it can go across the entire site, and you're going to get more than just an email address. So you want this to be evergreen because you don't really want it to have an end date. But if you were to run a contest and you just wanted to add your contest to every single page on your site, or even someone else's site, you could easily just change this to a start and end date for your contest, and that creates the scarcity of time, obviously. Same as normal, you've got all of these features that you add in. The main difference is that you're going to actually want to select a different display option. So you have the normal VYPER landing page, which is the easiest one, the embed form, which is when you have your own landing page and you're just embedding yours. And the new one is the contest widget. So this is where you will design this. So it's kind of like just point and edit. You can change whatever you want in here, change the colors, change the image that we've uploaded. So we've got a little picture of me in there at the moment, but if you wanted to make that your logo or something else, you can change that. This is important here. This is the page that I'm asking people to, this is the page that gets referred when I sort of add in that. So when I add in the, refer a friend to get 50 points, when they share that referral link, it's going to refer this page here. So make sure that you're setting this page. So this one here, you can see pretty straightforward on the setup. You want to save it. Make sure you save your contest because that's going to save the widget there. And then all you have to do is take this line of code and put it anywhere in the body. So in here, for example, you could put it in anything. So on that page that I just showed you, it's just in this here, and it's just a module in a page builder, WYSIWYG editor, whatever it may be. Super easy to add. If you want to add it to the entire site, you can put it in the header, or if you want to just do specific pages, you can do that as well. And then once you sort of go through that setup of the widget, it's the same as any other contest. You can set your rewards. So if you're doing a contest, you're probably going to want to put in the ranking reward and the random winner. It's also encouraged to use milestones because it keeps your contests very engaged and people active. But yeah, if you're doing just the content upgrades, so you're just really replacing people, so you're just really replacing your content upgrades or lead gen with milestone rewards, you want to use the milestone rewards. The other thing that you want to also do is make sure that you set your bonus actions. So these bonus actions, I'm just trying to get people to share all my content. But if you have a store, you can make people, leave comments on products, share products, all sorts of stuff like that. And I would say if you've got a store, you'll also want to be putting milestone discounting. So, refer 5 people, get $10 off, refer 10 people, get $20 off, that sort of thing. So that's when you use those milestone rewards. As always, the export's the same, email's the same, and all that sort of stuff. So jump in there, check it out, let us know what you think. Yeah, it's a great feature for expanding the sort of usage of your contest and getting a lot of traction because you're obviously leveraging your current website traffic. Or 2, it's a great option to create a gamified evergreen lead gen campaign. Let us know what you think there.